This video is sponsored by MILSPEC Watch Group. MILSPEC Watch Group is an authorized dealer of a number of different military-style watches based out of North Dakota in the Minnesota Twin Cities area.
All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here and a quick unboxing. This just came into the channel and I'm super excited to it. I want to thank MILSPEC Watch Group for getting this watch out to me. Super excited to have this one on the channel. This is going to be the second time I've had a LÜM-TEC here on the channel. So again, a quick unboxing today. I want to show you guys this watch. This is one I've been just kind of thinking about a lot lately. It's a big watch. A lot of LÜM-TECs are big, but I've been kind of trending back in that direction a little bit, liking to wear bigger watches. So anyways, I'll go ahead and stop talking. Let's get this one open. I am going to use the Matt Helm Work Knife version 4 here. Awesome new blade I got here. Let me know down in the description if you guys want me to do kind of a review of this knife. It's an impressive piece of kit, but let's go ahead and get this package open here without hurting myself with the knife. Yeah, all of the information, if you guys see the address and stuff on there, that's all just general information. That's my YouTube address and stuff. Don't freak out and say, dude, you're showing your address, because that's not. So here we go. Here's the internal box. We'll go ahead and get this sliced open here. Find that groove. And sorry for all the wiggling of the camera. I got it set up on a tripod here. And let's see, get this one open. Really excited to get this watch. Again, thanks, Jared. Appreciate you sending this one out to the channel. Shake that and get that out. Very nicely packaged. This came directly from the manufacturer, LÜM-TEC. They make impressive watches, really impressive watches. I think they've been around since '07, I want to say. And assembled in Ohio, designed, assembled in Ohio, LÜM-TEC technology. I think that's MDV is maximum display visibility. And the lume on these is just incredible, hence the name LÜM-TEC. Let me go ahead and put this back to normal here and we'll go ahead and take a look at this. So, all right, here we go. Open the box and take a look at this. Now, very cool. This is going to be the M90 automatic. I'm super excited to have this one in the collection. This is running a Sleeta SW200, and this is number, it looks like 37 of 300 in this particular colorway. So excited about this. And when we do the full review, I'll talk about some of the other watches kind of in this category. This is the M90. There's an M91, 92, and a 93 in this lineup. Differences being bezel, no bezel, stainless finish, and the PVD titanium nitride finish. But wow, this one is so freaking cool. So excited to have this watch here on the channel. Go ahead and get the plastic off of the crystal here. So wow, look at this. Very cool looking timepiece. And again, this is the M90 dive watch, 600 meter rated dive watch. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the crown out. We'll go ahead and get these hands in a better position here real quick just to talk about it. This is a big watch. It comes in at 44 millimeters side to side and 51 lug tip to lug tip. So it is a big watch for me with a 7-inch wrist, but man, just something about this one spoke to me. I'm just super, super excited to have this one. I do believe it comes with possibly a rubber strap too. I do believe, yeah, right there, there's the rubber strap, which I'll probably go ahead and throw it on the rubber strap. This will be my winter strap. It's still summer right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the rubber strap to wear most of the time. But give me a few days with this watch, guys, and then we will get a full review of it up here on the channel. And again, this one came from MILSPEC Watch Group. If you guys are interested in checking out what they have, go ahead and check the link down below in the description. They're now carrying LÜM-TEC, MWC, Marathon, and Squale. So they've got a lot of different watches out there and lots to choose from on the website. So stick around, guys. We will get a full review of this one up in just a few days here on the channel. So all right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.